we are going to talk about getFeaturesByType function. So it's a function that returns an array of features given its type, just as the name says. So I've got a bunch of Nicolas Cage pictures here and a bunch of NFTs. So we're going to make a button in World first, and I'm going to switch over to Replit just for the sake of visual pleasure. Alright, so let features with an S equal to parcel.getFeatures with an S by type, and the type is image. Cool, so what do we do now? We listen to the click, so features.onClick, and we've got an event. Awesome. So we click on the button. Now we want to loop. We want to loop for I equals 0, loop through the array of features, right? I equals 0, I lower than features dot length, the length of the array, and then I plus plus. Cool, so now you can pretty much do whatever you want to your feature at this point. What I'm going to do is features I dot set, and I'm gonna set the URL to something. So you can set the URL to whatever you want. I've got a bunch of Nicolas Cage picture here again, so I'm gonna change it to this one here. So open image in a new tab, copy. Oh, surely there's something better. Open image in a new tab, copy, back to Replit, and paste it. Now I can copy the whole code, open the button, put it there, and F5 just in case to refresh the script. Alright, so let's see. If I click on it, there we go. I guess I clicked on it a bit too fast. Alright, it's gonna take a bit of a while to load, or just not load at all. Come on. It's there. If I refresh, it will reset the previous picture. And I'm going to click on it again. There we go. So here's our new picture. So I think it just takes the time to cache the image. So probably why it took so long to load. Whatever, so we're going to move on to NFTs. I don't have as many NFTs, so surely it'll be a bit faster. So in this case, I want, for example, to set all the NFTs to that little pilot helmet right there. So what I'll do is I'll edit the button, and I'll change the feature type. I'm going to put it to NFT helmet, NFT image, sorry. And what's the URL of this one? Up, button, and where is the field? Right there. Cool, and paste it. Hopefully it saves. F5. Right, so as you can see, the picture now remains. So when you've changed the URL of all these features, it stays like that. It doesn't change back to the original one. Cool, so here we go. If I press on this, and all the NFTs are now the pilot helmet. That's cool. So there you go. If you want to set this back to the original one on reload, what you can do is you can take that for loop. So I'm gonna go on Replit because it's better, easier to see. Take that for loop go outside the click and put your origin URL here, so the normal one here. So say you want for Nicolas Cage, this one was the original. So open in new tab, copy image address, put it there. So what it does is it gets the features you have by image, and then it initiates it. So on initiation, it will set this URL, and then on click you can change it. This is what it does, and I can set that to the button. Refresh. Alright, NFTs are the same as well. Oh, there you go. So on initiation it changed it back to this one, and if I click, it changes back to this. Great, there you go.